Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Wednesday, April the 24th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update video. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading right now. The Dow Jones is currently down a little over 31 and a quarter. The CompQ is down close to 6 points. Take a look at the Russell 2000 as it is up about 80 cents, pretty much flat. S&P is flat. The VIX is up 9 cents. Taking a look at the commodity space here via the ETFs, crude oil, USO is up 50 cents. Gold, GLD's up 71 cents. GDX, gold miners are up 98 cents. JJC copper is up 97 cents. And the lackluster commodity today is silver, which is pretty much flat, not moving with the sector or the group at all. Take a look at the oil index. Oil index is having a nice move up today. The XOI is up 23 points. I mean, just in general, the OIH is up $1.09, so it's up about a little over 2.5%. So nice move in those energy stocks here. So it's going to take a look at the market to see what's going on here, because it's been a pretty mute session here. Now we actually get some selling pressure now that I'm doing this video, which is pretty interesting because I'm doing the video, so I'm not even trading right now. But ES, it's been trading this little range between 1576 and 1571. Chopping around this opening price here. If you take a look at the 5-minute chart, we've been in this nice little downward channel from overnight. Let me take out the studies here so you can see the chart a little bit cleaner here. Been in this nice little downward channel. They're trying to break us back down towards the bottom. You can see overnight, boom, on the open, we popped up a bit, sold right back down, rallied right back up to the highs, came right back down this time, held the 50% channel line there, rallied right back up, and we got rejected. So this whole trend line is, if you're watching the ES as a gauge to trade your stocks, or you use the ES because you're a futures trader, want to make sure you have this trend line in your chart so you can gauge the market with this right here. If we break back below the 50 and hold below the 50, look for a move back down towards the lows and possibly be making new lows towards the bottom of this channel. So we'll see how that sets up. Aside from that, that's really what I'm looking at. Not much going on today on my end. A couple of equity trades we took today. Let's go ahead and punch them up here. 1 second. A couple of equity trades that we were watching today. A couple guys on the desk took them. One FSLR. This one shot up right at the gate. Had a nice little bull flag on the 60-minute chart. This one's just ripping higher. Nice trend in stock today. JNPR was one name that we were watching. This one was a short, holding below 16. You can see pre-market the stock was chopping, trying to hold this support around 1620 on the 15-minute chart. So the whole idea that we got our traders on the desk to pretty much look out for was a hold below 1620. We got that hold below 1620 right here, and we started fading. 16 was a key level. We broke below 16. We had levels of 1577 and 1531. We hit a low of say 1562 here. So another stock that we were watching was ABX. ABX had some buyers going into the open, and I didn't have a chance to look at this one. This one's been trading kind of choppy, but we were watching to see if it was going to hold above these 1820s. Didn't hold above the 1820, which was the range that we had right here. It fell right back in. This one was one that we weren't really focused on. Main ones that we were focused on this morning, it looks like a JNPR, and we also called this WLT off this nice pattern here. WLT had some nice buyers coming in the stock today. Faded down a little bit right now, as you can see, but gave you a nice entry right here. All right, we call this one for out for a long right here around 1755. Caught a nice little 40 cent move there. Went from 1755 all the way to the high at 1796, but now it's coming right back down. You could watch this 1726 level to kind of gauge it, see what it wants to do. If we take a look at the ETFs here, the SPY, the IWM, the triple Qs, SPY again, same thing like the ES, of course, starting to get some selling pressure, but really just more or less just trading sideways in a range. You take a look at the triple Qs, same thing here, traded sideways in a range below the previous day's close, holding negative. And then you take a look at the IWM trading sideways, chopping around the previous day's highs and the closing price here. So not really much going on today, guys. I would be surprised if we were to get a crash to the lows today and get some selling pressure, because they haven't done it quite yet. If people are expecting that, so we'll see. Aside from that, have a great day. I'll catch you guys after the close. Cheers.